Finding the right camper when you're living that modern nomad life isn't always easy. There are so many options out there, and it can feel overwhelming trying to figure out which one actually fits your lifestyle. So today, I wanted to circle back to one of America's most trusted camper manufacturers, Lance Campers, and take a closer look at one of their popular travel trailers. If Lance Campers sounds familiar, that's probably because they've built a strong reputation over the years for producing some of the most versatile and lightweight campers on the road. If you followed along for a while, you already know they're especially famous for their truck campers. This time, though, we're skipping the truck bed entirely and hooking up a travel trailer instead. The Lance One 575 you're seeing here is proof that their trailers are every bit as capable and beloved as their truck-mounted builds. Now, sure, truck campers get a lot of praise for packing everything you need into a tiny footprint, and that's fair. Travel trailers don't really try to be ultra-compact in the same way. That said, the Lance One 575 strikes a really nice balance. It's not the smallest trailer Lance makes, but it is the smallest one in their lineup that includes a slide-out, with a floor length just under 16 feet. Despite its size, this trailer is designed to comfortably handle up to 4 people. You get a modular dinette, a large forward bed that sleeps 2, a full kitchen, and even a complete wet bath. All of that comes in at a dry weight of just over 3,000 pounds, making it a great match for vehicles rated to tow at least 4,000 pounds. On the outside, Lance keeps things smart and durable. The trailer is built with Azdel panels, a high-gloss fiberglass exterior, steel fasteners, and an aluminum frame. Block foam insulation is used throughout, giving the trailer solid R values on all sides. Exterior features are pretty straightforward, including an awning, storage compartments, hookups, and optional solar panels. Honestly, that's really all you need. Add a table and a grill outside and you're set. Where this trailer really shines is the interior. It's compact without feeling cramped. Once you slide the dinette out, the space opens up nicely. The wet bath is tucked into the rear corner, and the kitchen runs alongside it, featuring a 3-burner cooktop, a range hood, and just enough counter space to get meals done. The fridge sits along the dinette wall next to the bedroom wardrobe, which might not be everyone's favorite layout. It's easy to imagine dirt getting tracked in there. Up front, the main bed takes over the entire nose of the trailer, and with no overhead storage, you get an open, airy feel, thanks to 3 large windows. Storage isn't an issue, though. Between the cabinets, drawers, wardrobe, and exterior bays, there's plenty of room for clothes, food, and all your adventure gear. Inside, you'll also find features like a JBL sound system, LED lighting, heating and cooling, air vents, insect screens, and full system controls. There's also prep for solar, TV, and satellite if you want to stay connected. If you really want to level things up, Lance offers a long list of upgrades, including up to 400 watts of rooftop solar, a convection oven or microwave air fryer combo, and a larger inverter. By the time you're done customizing, this trailer can be fully dialed in for life on the road. As for pricing, it really depends on how you spec your 2025 Lance One 575 and which dealership you go through. While 2026 models haven't been announced yet, some dealers are listing 2025 units for around $46,500, with most pricing landing somewhere between $50,000 and $55,000. It's not cheap, but for what you're getting, it's a solid option worth a serious look.